Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our online session. Hope you all are very fine. Students, in our previous video, I have given you exercise 2.1 as your homework. Hope you all have finished your homework. And today we will be doing exercise 2.2 on page number 37 in your books. Okay, so please be ready with your books, your pencils and eraser. Okay, now we will do the exercise in our books. Okay. Now students, let us start doing the exercise 2.2, page number 37. Okay, so let's do the first one. 425 plus 298. Okay, so we have to add these numbers with regrouping. Regrouping means carry forward. Okay, here we have to take carry. Okay, and in which case we take carry? When we add two numbers, okay, and we get a 2-digit number and the next place is remaining to be added. In that case we write the ones place of that number and the tens place we carry forward to the next place. Okay, so that is only regrouping. Regrouping means carry forward. Okay, now let us start. So we start addition from ones place. Okay, we always start addition from ones place. So 5 plus 8, 5 ones plus 8 ones is 13. So in 13 at ones place we have 3. Okay, so we will write here 3, and at tens place we have 1, which we will take here as carry. Okay, now you can see 1 3 13. Okay, 1 3 13, and I told you when we get a 2-digit number, in that case the number at ones place we write and the number at tens place we carry forward to the next place. Okay, now 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9 is 11, plus 1 12. Again we got a 2-digit number, so we will write here 2 and 1 we will take here as carry. Okay na, 1 to 12. So 2 we are writing here and 1 we have carry forwarded. So 4 plus 2 6, plus 1 carry 7, 723. Now next is B. 634 plus 356. 4 plus 6 is 10. So we will write here 0 and 1 we will take here as carry. 5 plus 3 8, plus 1 carry 9. Then 6 plus 3 9. Okay, so our answer is 990. Fine. Now let's do C. At ones place we have 8 5, at tens place 4 and 3, and at hundreds place 1 and 2. Okay, 148 plus 235. We will start from ones place. Okay, 8 plus 5 is 13. So we will write here 3, and one of these 13 we will carry forward here. Okay, now 4 plus 3 is 7, and 7 plus 1 is 8. Okay, 2 plus 1 3. So our answer is 383. Okay students, now next is D. 529 plus 336. 9 plus 6 is 15. We will write here 5. Okay, and the 1 at tens place in 15 will be carry forwarded here. Okay, now 3 plus 2 5, plus 1 6. Okay, and 5 plus 3 8. 865. Now we will do E. 684 plus 298. 4 plus 8 is 12. So we will write here 2 and 1 will be carry forwarded here. 9 plus 8, 17 plus 1 carry 18. So we will write here 8 and 1 of this 18 will be carry forwarded here. 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1 carry 9. 982 is our answer. Okay, now let's do F. 2 plus 8 is 10. So we will write here 0 because 0 is at ones place in 10 and 1 will be carry forwarded. Now 7 plus 9 is 16 and 16 plus 1 17. So we will write here 7 and 1 will be carry forwarded. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 1 carry 7. So our answer is 770. So students, we have done A, B, C, D, E and F. Okay, these 6 we have done. Now we will go to next page. Okay, do this one. If you all have not completed, pause the video and complete and then move to the next page. Okay, so here we come to next page and now we will do G. Okay, 798 plus 183. 8 plus 3 is 11. 1 we will write here and 1 will be carry forwarded. 9 plus 8, 17 plus 1 carry 18. So we'll be writing here 8 and 1 of 18 will be carry forwarded. Now 7 plus 1, 8 plus 1 carry 9. 981 is our answer. Okay, 981. Now next is H. 395 plus 486. At ones place we have 5 and 6, tens place 9 and 8 and hundreds place 3 and 4. Okay, and we start addition from ones place. So 5 plus 6 is 11. We will write here 1. Okay, and 11 is 1, 1, 11. So 1 at ones place we have written here and 1 at tens place we will carry forward here. Okay, 9 plus 8, 17. 17 plus 1 carry 18. So we will write here 8 and 1 will be carry forwarded. 4 plus 3, 7 plus 1 carry 8. So our answer is 881. Okay, 881. Then I. 578 plus 287. Okay, so we will start from ones place. 8 plus 7, 15. We will write here 5 and 1 will be carry forwarded. Then 7 plus 8 again 15 plus 1 carry 16. So we will write here 6 and again 1 will be carry forwarded. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 1 carry 8. Okay, so our answer here is 865. Okay, 865. Now we will do J. 232 plus 679. 9 plus 2, 11. So we will write here 1 and 1 will be carry forwarded. Then 7 plus 3, 10 plus 1 carry 11. Again we will write here 1 and 1 will be carry forwarded. Then 6 plus 2, 8 plus 1 carry 9. Okay, now our answer is 911. Okay, now we will come to K. We will start from ones place. The number is 588 plus 295. So 8 plus 5 is 13. So we will write here 3 Okay, in 13 at ones place we have 3. So here we will write 3 and 1 we will carry forward to the next place. Okay, so 9 plus 8 is 17, plus 1 carry 18. Okay, so again we got 1, 8, 18, which is a 2-digit number. Okay, so 8 we have written here and 1 will be carry forwarded. 5 plus 2, 7, plus 1 carry 8. 883. Okay, 883 is our answer. Now next is L. 746 plus 179. We will start from ones place. 6 plus 9 is 15. 1, 5, 15. So 5 is at ones place in 15. So 5 we have written here and 1 is at tens place. So 1 we will carry forward. 7 plus 4, 11, plus 1 carry 12. We will write here 2 and 1 will be carry forwarded. 7 plus 1, 8, plus 1 carry 9. So our answer is 925. Okay, now we come to next one, that is M. 487 plus 345. We start addition from ones place, so we will start from here. 7 plus 5, 12. We will write here 2. And in 12 at ones place we have 2. So 2 we have written here. At tens place we have 1. So 1 will be carry forwarded. 8 plus 4, 12, plus 1, 13. So we will write here 3 and 1 of this 13 will be carry forwarded to the next place. Okay, now 4 plus 3, 7, plus 1 carry 8. So your answer is 832. Okay, now next is N. So N is 389 plus 478. So at ones place we have 9 and 8 and we will start from ones place. So 9 plus 8 is 17. We will write here 7 and the 1 which is at tens place in 17 will be carry forwarded to the next place. 8 plus 7 is 15, plus 1 carry 16. So we will write here 6 of 16 and 1 will be carry forwarded. So 4 plus 3, 7, plus 1 carry 8. 867. Okay, 867 is our answer. Then we come to O. 184 plus 226. 4 plus 6 is 10, so we will write here 0 and 1 will be carry forwarded. 8 plus 2, 10, plus 1 carry is 11, so 1 we will write here, 1 will be carry forwarded. 2 plus 1, 3, plus 1, 4. 410. Our answer is 410. Okay. Now we will do P. That is 297 plus 549. So we will start from ones place. 9 plus 7 is 16. 1, 6, 16 we got here. So in 16 at ones place we have 6. So 6 we will write here and 1 at tens place will be carry forwarded. Okay. Now 9 plus 4 is 13 and 13 plus 1 carry will be 14. So we will write here 4 and 1 will be carry forwarded. 5 plus 2, 7, plus 1, 8. 846. Now we will do Q. 575 plus 328. So 5 plus 8 is 13. We will write here 3 of 13 and 1 of 13 will be carry forwarded here, okay, because 1 is at tens place, so we will carry forward it. 7 plus 2 9 plus 1 10. Here we will write 0 and now 1 will be carry forwarded. So 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9. Our answer is 903. 903, okay. Now we come to R. 546 plus 298, okay. 546 plus 298. At ones place we have 6 and 8 to add. So 6 plus 8 14. We will write here 4, okay, and 1 will be carry forwarded. Fine. 9 plus 4 13 plus 1 carry 14. 1 4 14. 4 we have written here and 1 will be carry forwarded here, okay. 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 1 carry 8. 844. So students, here we finish our exercise 2.2, okay. And if you have finished the exercise, good. If you have not finished, then please pause the video and finish it, okay. And students, now your exercise 2.3. In your exercise 2.3, we have got addition of 3 numbers of 3-digit numbers without carry, okay. Here you have 3 numbers of 3-digit numbers, okay, in which you don't have to take any carry. So this one is your homework, okay. Exercise 2.3 is your homework. Fine students. First one I will solve for you, okay. So as usual, whenever we add, we start adding from ones place only, okay. Always keep it in your mind. So which numbers we have to add? See, 205 plus 323 plus 101. So we have to add these 3 numbers, okay, but we will add according to the place value. Now at ones place we have 531. So 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 9, okay. Tens place 0 plus 2 2. 2 plus 0 2. So here we get 2. And at hundreds place 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 1 6. So our answer is 629, okay. 629. So like this only, rest also you have to do, okay. Please do your homework, okay students. Now we come to next exercise, that is 2.4. So in exercise 2.4 we have to do addition of 3 numbers of 3-digit numbers with carry, okay. Here we have to take carry, okay. Now you can see the heading, addition of 3 numbers of 3-digit numbers with carrying, okay. Now this exercise is on page number 40. Please open page number 40. Exercise 2.4, okay. Let's do the first one. Okay, so the numbers which we have to add here are 425 plus 308 plus 195, okay. So at ones place we have 585. We start addition from ones place only, okay. So 5 plus 8 is 13 and 13 plus 5 will be 18. So we got here a 2-digit number. So we will write here 8, okay, and one of this 18, okay. 8 we had at ones place, so 8 we have written here, and 1 at the tens place will be carry forwarded, okay. So 2 plus 0 2, 2 plus 9 11 plus 1 carry plus 1 12, okay. So 12 we got, we will write 2 and 1 we will carry forward, okay. 1 to 12 and 2 is at ones place, so we have written here 2 and 1 is carry forwarded. Now 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 1 carry 9. 928. Okay students. Then B. 236 plus 444 plus 143. So we will start from ones place. Okay, always remember addition, we have to start from ones place only. Okay na? 6 plus 4 10. 10 plus 3 13. So 3 we will write here and 1 will be carry forwarded. Okay. 3 plus 4 7. 7 plus 4 11. 11 plus 1 carry 12. So we will write here 2. Okay, and we will carry forward 1. 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 1 7. 7 plus 1 carry 8. Our answer is 823. Okay, our answer is 823. Okay students, now we come to C. So C is 151 plus 426 plus 358. So we will start addition from ones place. 1 plus 6 7. 7 plus 8 15. Okay, 1 5 15. So 5 is at ones place, so 5 we will write here, and at tens place we have 1, so 1 will be carry forwarded. Now 5 plus 2 7. 7 plus 5 12, and 12 plus 1 carry will be 13. So we will be writing here 3. Okay, and 1 will be carry forwarded. Okay students, 1 will be carry forwarded. We will write here 1. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 3 8 plus 1 carry 9. Okay. So see your answers. You can do it yourself also students, and after doing you can check it from the video. Okay students. Let's come to D. D is 259 plus 437 plus 173. 9 plus 7 16 plus 3 19. So 1919. 9 we will write here and 1 will be carry forwarded. Now 5 plus 3 8 and 8 plus 7 15 plus 1 carry 16. So we will write here 6 and 1 will be carry forwarded. Okay. 2 plus 4 6. 6 plus 1 7 plus 1 carry 8. Okay students, so our answer is 869. Our answer is 869. Now we will do E. 218 plus 316 plus 184. We will start addition from ones place. 8 plus 6 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. So we will write here 8 and 1 will be carry forwarded. Now 1 plus 1 2. 2 plus 8 10. 10 plus 1 carry 11. We will write here 1 and 1 will be carry forwarded. Okay. Now 2 plus 3 5. 5 plus 1 6 and 6 plus 1 carry is 7. So our answer is 718. Our answer is 718. Now we will do F. 308 plus 500 plus 108. We will start from ones place. 8 plus 0 8 and 8 plus 8 will be 16. So we will write here 6. Okay, because in 16 6 comes at ones place. Okay, and at tens place we have 1 which we will carry forward. Now 0 plus 0 plus 0 0 plus 1 carry 1. Okay. Now 3 plus 5 8. plus 1, 9. So our answer is 916. Okay, our answer is 916. So students, finally we have finished exercise 2.4 also. Okay, if you have done the exercise, if you have completed it, very good. If you have not completed, pause the video and check it. Okay, write it, and you can do it yourself also, student. Okay, if you have understood, do the exercise yourself, and after doing you can check your answers from the video. Okay, now this is all for today, students. Goodbye, take care, stay safe and stay at home.